Namaste. Welcome to maths class. And in this class, we are going to read and we are going to learn about the method to find out the principal when amount, time and rate is given. As we have already found that principal equals I into 100 by T into R, okay, in previous videos. And now in this video, especially the new thing is that we have to find out principal in case of amount, time and rate, okay. If they are given, how to find out principal, that will be taught in this video. Let's start with the first slide. And here, as I told you, this okay formula and simple interest is the fourth video, okay. And amount, it is the total sum of principal and interest. We know that one. Amount equals P plus I. And P writes same. Interest means P into T into R upon 100. If you take common P, okay, here is left 1 and here is left T into R by 100. And here is 1 upon 1. 1 and 100 LCM is 100. And 100 into 1, 100 plus T into R by 100. If you cross multiply, this 100 goes here to multiply with A into 100, and here remains P into 100 plus TR, okay. And when 100 plus TR will go this side, and here remaining P only, that is principal. Therefore, principal equals to A into 100, amount into 100 by 100 plus T into R. And while calculating, I have repeated it before also, this 100 and this 100, please never try to cancel them, because there is multiply, here is plus sign, okay. If in place of plus there is multiply, then we could cancel, but here is 100 is multiplied, but this 100 is added, that's why we cannot cancel this 100 and this 100, okay. Then like this we derive the formula principal equals to amount into 100 by 100 plus time into rate. Let's move to the next slide, the use of this formula in the solution. Here, calculate the principal in each of the following case. What should we do here? Look here. Amount is given, okay, 8,992. Time is given 4 years 6 months. Rate is 9%. Then here, amount equals to, okay, 8,992. Time equals to 4 years and 6 months. And as I told you, 6 months we have to convert into year, divide by 12. Then it will be 1 by 2. Then 2, 4, the 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2 years. And rate of interest is 9% per annum. Principal equals what? Then use the formula. Principal equals amount into 100 by 100 plus T into R. Okay. Then we have to proceed. Okay. And here, look here. This is the value 1. Look here. 9 by 2 into 9. Then it will be 9, 9 the 81. 81 divided by 2, it will be 40.5. Okay. Then 40.5 will add with 100, 140.5, and this will be upper one, 1 cents 100,000, okay, 10,000 lakh, 8,99,200, and divide by 140.5, then you will get 6,400 principal. Okay, therefore, principal equals to, okay, 6,400. Like this, we have to find out. And two number, look here, amount is given 10,945, time is given 3 whole number 1 by 4. This means 3 4 the 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. This is mixed fraction, you can write in improper. Rate equals 7.5% per annum, okay. Look here, how to solve it. This is the classwork, you can do it easily. The similar one, as I have shown in this one, first one, solution. That same thing will be followed here in this classwork. And number 2, I look here, a sum of money amounts to rupees this. Okay, this is 11,840 in 2 years time, 4 months. at the rate of 10% per annum, find the sum. This is a similar one. We have to convert this 4 months into year, then it will be 2 whole number, 1 by 3, that means 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, okay? And rate of interest is 10% per annum. And principal is to find, and use the formula principal equals to amount into 100 by 100 plus time into rate, and put the given values now there. And if you put the given value there, 7 by 3 into 10, now it will be 70 by 3, then this 3 will multiply with 100, then 300 plus 70, 370 by 3, then 3 goes up and down remains 370. If you calculate this one, if you cancel them, you will get 9600 as the principal. Okay, and similar classwork is given here. You have to solve it. And sum of money amounts to rupees this. This is amount 1500 in 4 years at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the sum. Find the principal. Sum is principal. Okay, use the similar process and solve it. You can find out this easily. Now here are the some of the questions for your assignment. Okay, amount given, time given, rate given. Now find out principal here also similarly. Okay, before that you have to convert this into years. 3 by 12, then it will be 1 by 4. That means 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 it will be. Okay, and this rate of interest 7%. And find out their principal. Sum of money amounts will be this amount. Okay, this is time and this rate, and find out the sum. Sum means you have to find out principal there, as we have done in classwork. Okay, in examples 1 you can follow them, and okay, you can find out the solution of these 2 questions. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to stay update of new videos. Okay, and these videos are made, okay, prepared for you, okay, for your study, and subscribe it. Okay.